on into making up. And I think any resident needs to constantly have a thirst for knowledge. I say residencies are a lot of what you make of them. I find sometimes today residents think they're there just to learn surgery. You're really there to learn a lot more than surgery. You're there to integrate as a resident within the health system, within a multidisciplinary approach. And I think, the surgical skill comes down to not only your knowledge of foot and ankle surgery, but you have to be a much more well-rounded physician today. You got to be able to read MRIs. You got to be able to understand diabetes. You need to understand wound care. You need to understand, the effects of trauma on the soft tissues. There's a lot more to be learned than just the surgical skill. So surgical skill is one part of it, but I think staying there and being involved as long as possible. And I tell the residents today, and I'll leave this point with you, that you're only doing your residency